It's the Shiv Sena split 2.0. It's a major political setback for Uddhav Thackeray, but a boost clearly for Eknath Shinde. 6 rebel UBT MPs formally joined the Shinde-led Shiv Sena. The switchover was marked by a show of strength, Eknath Shinde himself sharing the stage with the rebel MPs. The leaders raised their hands together, signaling the unity and also to underscore Eknath Shinde's growing dominance in the battle. On your screen, all those 6 rebel MPs who were incommunicado for days. Nobody knew what is their final decision, but their destination is for all to see. Welcoming the members of parliament, Eknath Shinde called them 6 tigers, referring to clearly the Operation Tiger, and asserting that they had joined the real Shiv Sena. The Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister adding that Shiv Sena family has grown bigger and accused Uddhav Thackeray of abandoning the original ideology of Bala Saheb Thackeray. But here's what the UBT Sena leaders were saying. Aditya Thackeray lashed out at the rebel MPs, accusing them of selling their loyalty and reputation for political gains. Let's listen in to what did Eknath Shinde say, and in response to that, the UBT MPs.
सर्व आमचे हे शिवसेना हे कुटुंब आहे, परिवार आहे. हा एक परिवार या आपल्या शिवसेना परिवारामध्ये, खऱ्या शिवसेना परिवारामध्ये, बाळासाहेबांच्या विचारांच्या शिवसेना परिवारामध्ये, धर्मवीर आनंद दिघे साहेबांच्या शिवसेना परिवारामध्ये आज हे आपले कट्टर शिवसैनिक खासदार सामील झालेले आहेत. त्यांचं मी मनापासून शिवसेनेमध्ये स्वागत करतो. अगोदर आपण 2022 साली शिवसेना पक्ष वाचवण्यासाठी, धनुष्यबाण वाचवण्यासाठी, बाळासाहेबांचे विचार वाचवण्यासाठी तो उठाव केला होता. आणि आता हा दुसरा टप्पा सुरू झालेला आहे. हा दुसरा टप्पा आहे. आपला लढा हा बाळासाहेबांच्या विचाराचा आहे, हिंदुत्वाच्या विचाराचा आहे, आणि हे विचार जपण्याचा आहे. आणि म्हणून जिथं शिवसेनेचे विचार तिथं शिवसैनिक. आणि म्हणून आज हे 6 खासदार यांनी बाळासाहेबांच्या शिवसेनेमध्ये, खऱ्या शिवसेनेमध्ये सामील होण्याचा निर्णय घेतला आपल्या शिवसेना परिवारामध्ये.
जो 6 बागी नहीं बिकाऊ सांसद है वो चुन के आए थे उद्धव बालासाहेब ठाकरे इनके चेहरे पे. जो वो चुन के आए थे वो महाविकास आघाड़ी और इंडिया अलायंस के चेहरे पे. वो जो चुन के आए थे वो भाजपा के खिलाफ आए थे, जिस भाजपा को इस देश का संविधान बदलना है. आज भाजपा इनको तोड़फोड़ करके जो अपने पक्ष में, अपने दल में शामिल करना चाहती है, दलदल में शामिल करना चाहती है, वो इसीलिए करना चाहती है ताकि वो देश का संविधान बदल सके. उनको 2/3 जो मेजॉरिटी है वो ही प्राप्त करना चाहती है, और ताकि देश में संविधान बदल सके, यही उनका लक्ष्य है.
India Today's managing editor Sahil Joshi joins me on this telecast on To The Point. Sahil, so it's finally official. Tell us primarily, one, about what did Eknath Shinde say in projecting this victory, and what happens now to the UBT Sena. Also a word possibly about the 6 MPs who've joined, Sahil.
Well, the 6 MPs have their own reasons to join the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena. 2 of the MPs who have released their videos have claimed that being an opposition MP, they are unable to, they do not get enough funds to do their works in their constituencies, and that is the reason why it's even if they want to be with Shiv Sena UBT, being an opposition MP is very difficult at this point of time. The government doesn't release funds. It's what they have claimed. So that is the reason why it is always better to be on the side of the government, and that is why they're joining Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena to be part of the government. But at the same time, now it seems, because today Uddhav Thackeray had called meeting of his 20 MLAs. 4 MLAs were absent for this meeting. So there is a big talk at this point of time in Mumbai that the Operation Tiger Part 2 is in the process at this point of time. It's uploading. And
what does that mean, Sahil?
where it is likely that one of the Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena MLA claimed that
MLAs.
now the MLAs will be targeted. Now MLAs will break away from UBT and join their party. But at the same time, the BJP MLA has released a statement saying that enough is enough. Now, in the democracy, such kind of the split in MLAs should not happen. But it seems that now the Operation Tiger Part 2 is in process, because there was a lot of talk about this when these 6 MPs today joined formally Eknath Shinde's party. Now, where does Shiv Sena UBT go? Because they understand that the legal fight is
Okay.
completely fruitless. It will not yield any result at this
Okay.
point of time. So they are planning to go to the people. Uddhav Thackeray has planned his visit to the constituencies from where these MPs have split, and he will be talking to his workers there, and that's how they are planning to rebuild their party at this point of time.
Eventually, it's always the public that decides. And for Maharashtra, public has decided, but clearly still the changes that are happening. Appreciate you joining us, Sahil Joshi, with all the latest on what's unfolding in Maharashtra politics, especially the Shiv Sena.